Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today I'm going to be showing you how I marinate my soft chicken before I grill it inside the oven. In here I have bay leaf, onion, fresh pepper. Then this is mixed spices for meat. Here is my thyme, my garlic, nutmeg, curry powder, and tumeric. So what I'll be doing, I'll be adding all the spices in there. That's the last curry. Some nutmeg, some garlic. When you try this, guys, you like the flavor. I just like the kind of flavor it adds to the chicken. And there is my mixed spices, including blended pepper, dried pepper. Everything is in there. And here is my thyme. So I'll be adding salt. So this is my salt. Some more. So after that, I'll mix everything together like this. Everything together. I prefer using my hand, guys, when marinating all these things, so that all these spices can combine together. So after that, I'll be taking my chicken, and here I have my oven tray already prepared. So what I will do, I will add all these onion, bay leaf inside my chicken. Then after that, I will use the remaining ones to rub the chicken just the way I'm doing it now. But guys, before you do this, you have to maintain your chicken. This chicken, I maintained it. They were hairs, so I have to burn it a little bit. I washed it very well. So guys, we have to eat clean. Marinate everything, rub everything. Okay, now it's ready to go inside the oven. My oven is preheated already. I put it in 180 Fahrenheit, okay, or census, yeah, Fahrenheit or census. So now so this is it, guys. My chicken is ready, and now I'm going to take it inside my oven. So I've marinated it earlier before, as I showed you guys, and my oven has been preheated already, 180 census or 180 Fahrenheit. Now we'll leave it here to cook for like 30 to 40 minutes. We'll come and check on it. So this is after 40 minutes. Let's check on it and see how it's doing. Wow, it's doing great. So we'll still leave it in there for another 20 minutes. I will come and check on it and see how it's doing. So let's check on our meat, chicken, and see how it's doing. So this is it, guys. Our chicken is ready. If you like the way I prepared it, like, share, comment. Thank you for coming. See you in my next video. God bless you. This is the final look of this grilled chicken. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Like, comment, share. God bless you. Bye bye.